بەڵێ ئیرۆژی ئەم دەخوازن دیالۆگێک بخوێنن. Today we want to read another dialogue. So here we will start, I think from here, dialogue. Okay. Garçon means waiter. قهوة كيا, for whom is the coffee? قهوة يا كيا, for whom is the coffee? سردار قهوة يا منه. کولا یا وی بیرaya خانمه و آف جی بو هوالیه. سردار says the coffee is mine. قهوه یا منه. The coffee is mine. The cola is hers. کولا یا ویه. Hers یا ویه. وی her. The beer is for the lady. بیرaya خانمه. The beer is for the lady. And of is the friend. Of جی بو هوالیه. Water is for friends. Garson kerem beke, here you are. Naz ha, ez dixwazim xeberekê bidim we. Look, I want to tell you a piece of news. I want to tell you a news. Helin, خبر خیریه انشالله. دبیجه نازی. خبر خیریه انشالله. دبیجه نازی. Helin, hopefully it is good news. Say it Naz. Okay. روژا اینه برای من نی ریناس ج کردستانی ده. روژا اینه برای منی ریناس ج کردستانی ده. On the Friday, my brother Renas will come from Kurdistan. روژا اینه on the Friday, برای من my brother برای منی ریناس my brother Renas will come from Kurdistan. سردار راستی really راستی ولا دوی ام وی اگه پیروز بکن. By God, we have to celebrate this event. ای باشه وگاوی. Sure, it's good. از دخوازم و بکم میوان. I want to host you. میوان. I want to become میوان is host. میوان was guest. At Saturday night. شب شمیه. At Saturday night. لما من. In our home. لما من in my home actually. In my home. لما من my home. Can you come? Hundekaren ben. Can you come? Hundekaren ben. Can you come? Serdar. پر باش دبه. It will be very good. از دکارم بیم. I can come. I want to see Renas. از دخوازم ریناس ببینم. ای دخوازم ریناس ببینم. سلیم نازی تو خوارنین خوش چه دکی؟ سلیم دپرسه ناز do you cook good food? Literally meal. نازی تو خوارنین خوش چه دکی؟ ناز زیده نخرابم بو خوارن چه کرنه. زیده نخرابم بو خوارن چه کرنه. I am not too bad at cooking. از دکارم ترشک و قلی سیل که چکم جواره. I can cook turshik and qaliselik for you. Is some food, some kind of food. تدخوازی بی an تدخوازی بی an na. Do you want to come or not? Selim, مخابن از نکارم بیم. Unfortunately, I can't come. جبركو شفا شمية جفينا من هي. Because on Saturday night, I have a meeting. Meeting, جفينا من هي. Meeting, جفينا من هي. دوی بشتاری وی جفينه ببم. I must participate in that meeting. I must participate in that meeting. I have to participate in that meeting. The way. Have to. I must. I should. Actually, we should use for the way. We use for should too. Okay. هلين ئێمن ez gelek dixwazim xwarinên destê te bixwim. Lêbelê ez niha nizanim ka dikarim bêm an nikarim. Okay. But I don't know whether I can come or not. Helin dibêje, as for me, I very much want to taste a meal cooked prepared by you, your hands. But at the moment, I don't know whether I can come or not. Amen. As for me, amen is for me, amen. Amen is like my situation. Amen. Ez gelek dixwazim xwarinên destê te bixwim. I want to eat food that you prepare. Lêbelê ez niha nizanim. But right now I don't know. Niha, right now I don't know. Ka dikarim bêm if I can come or not. Ka dikarim bêm an nikarim. I can or cannot. I don't know about this, she says. And Naz em gelekî dixwazin tu bêyî. Naz, we want a lot you to come. Heta sibehê xeberekê bide me. Till morning, inform me. Naz, we also very much want you to come. Tell us news whether you come or not by tomorrow. Baş e, spas. Well, thanks. Devere em bersiva pirsên jêr bidin. So, that was talking, and now we are going to do some exercise, okay? We are going to ask some questions and answer those questions. Let's start. Okay? چند کس li masayê rû dinin? Naz, Helîn, Selîm, Sedat. Min 4 nav jimart. Çend kes? 4 kes li masayê rû dinin. And I said, Naz, Helîn, Selîm, Sedat. Min 4 nav jimart. 4 nav jimart. Min 4 nav jimart. Which means I counted 4 names. Those are the names. So you see 4 people. 4 people are on the table. Ki ji Kurdistanê vedigere. Ki ji wir vedigere. It says who comes from Kurdistan. Who is coming from there? You remember? Okay. Renas ji Kurdistanê vedigere. Okay. Continue. Ki hevalên vedixwîne şîvê. Who invites her friend to home? Who invites her friend to home? Naz hevalên xwe vedixwîne şîvê. So, vedixwîne şîvê. Naz calls her friend to eat. Invites her friend. Şîv kîjan rojê ye? Kengî ye. Şîv kîjan rojê ye? Which day is the dinner? And what time? So maybe we want to join too. Şîv şeva şemiyê şevê ye. Actually, like we are saying sheaf, of course it will be shev, because sheaf is at chef. And so from this, it's generally around night, dinner, it is dinner. At night we have dinner, right? At evening we have dinner. We cannot have breakfast. Actually we can have, but it wouldn't be breakfast. So kengiye, şeveye, there is no specific time. Ve gotinên jêr rast e yan çewt e. Sentences below are right or false. Right or false. True or false. Okay. Rast, true. Çewt, wrong. Okay. I will read some sentences about the dialogue, and if this is true, you will say raste. If this is false, you will say çewt. Okay. برای ji Kurdistanê serdarî tê. Birayê ji Kurdistanê serdarî tê. Çewt e. Şaş e. Şaş e. Çewt e. Çewt. Also şaş. Şaş e. Not right. Wrong. Birayê ji Kurdistanê serdarî te. Serdarî tê. Not serdarî. What was Renas? Renas is coming. Renas. Birayê ji Kurdistanê serdarî tê. The brother ji Kurdistanê, birayê ji Kurdistanê serdarî tê. The brother that comes from Kurdistan is Serdari. It says no. Naz dixwaze hevalên xwe bike mêvan. Naz dixwaze hevalên xwe bike mêvan. Naz wants to host her friends. Is that true? Rast e. True. Serdar nikare biçe şîvê. Serdar cannot go to dinner. Is that right? Okay. Şaş. Serdar can go. Serdar is able to go. Shava Yakshamiya. It is on Sunday. Shava Yakshamiya. Okay, is that right? Did we say Shem or Shavi? Did we say Yaksham or Shami? We said Shami, which means Saturday. But this is Sunday, and this is Shash. Shash. Okay, Shiv Shava Yakshamiya. This is Shash. Okay. Serdar dixwaze Renasi bibîne. Serdar wants to see Renas. Is that true? Yes, it's true. Rast e. Serdar dixwaze Renasî bibîne. Selim dikare biçe şîvê. Selim can go to dinner. Selim can go to dinner. What do you think? He can go or not? Şaş e. Ji ber ku Selim civînek Selim hebû. Selim nikare biçe şîvê. Selim nikare biçe şîvê ji ber ku divê beşdarî civînekê bibe. Selim nikare biçe şîvê ji ber ku divê beşdarî civînekê bibe. Şaş e? Na, rast e. It says Selim cannot go to the dinner because Selim has to join a meeting. That's right. Okay. Naz dikare tirşikê çêke. Naz can make tirşik. This is tirşik. Naz can make tirşik. Yes, she can. So, Naz dikare tirşikê çêke. Naz naxwaze Helîn biçe şîvê. Naz doesn't want Helene to go to dinner. It is wrong. Naz naxwaze Helene biçe şîvê. No. Naz dixwaze Helene biçe şîvê. Helene naxwaze xwarinên destê Nazê bixwe. It says Helene doesn't like to eat food that Naz made. Is it shash? Of course it is shash. Helin naxwaze xwarinên destê Nazê bixwe? No. Helin dixwaze şîvê destê Nazê bixwe. So, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's it. Okay.